the song Choke on guitar. I think there's something going on with either a detuned guitar or maybe a capo, or maybe both. But anyways, you can play along with the recording like this. D minor, stop, drop, and drag me into place. F. And lock the fire escapes. C. I'll break your pretty face. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's go over the chords there. We got D minor. Now, the bass is playing just the root note, but it has a lot of distortion on it. So, you might want to put some distortion on your guitar. But that's just for the verse. Then it goes to F. And I'm just playing the simplified F shape. And that makes it real easy to go to the C, which follows. Just keep our index finger in the same place and just shift our ring finger and middle finger up to strings 5 and 4. Then it does a chromatic B flat to A, and then into and then it does yeah, yeah. It's like a little tag, and it's on both the verse and the chorus. All right. So the kind of cool thing about this song is it does major feel. The minor was very, the verse was very minor, D minor. Alright, but in the chorus it gets very happy. Shut your dirty mouth. Very happy. Suffocate while you die. That would be just fine. F sharp minor. That lonely little time. They surely would be. So choke yourself to sleep. Alright, so we changed to D major now. And this is all, even on the recording, there's no more distortion because it goes like a very pop feel for the very happy kind of chords and music, but then the lyrics are very dark, which I like. So D to F sharp. F sharp is just like your F sharp minor, just like your E minor. Except instead of having the nut hold down the string, you're holding down the string here. Now if you find that difficult to play, you can kind of just play a partial. Like this on the 4th fret on the D string is the same as your root note. This is a F sharp, and then kind of have your index finger as a simplified F sharp. It works very well. So you're kind of barring. You don't even have to get the high E in there. You can just bar the G and the B and play the D with your ring finger. So it goes D. Shut your little mouth. If I could run this down, I wouldn't G hesitate. A. Smile while you suffocate. D. That would be just fine. F sharp minor. And what a lovely time. G. surely would be. So bite your tongue and choke yourself to sleep. And then it does that little chromatic B flat. Okay, I'm just playing the A part of that because it goes to A. So just take the A, play it at the 3rd fret, slide it down to the A, and then I'll finish with the D minor. And you're back ready for the verse. Okay, the first riff is doubling of the vocal line. Okay, and we're playing in the D minor pentatonic. Okay, at the 10th fret, we have a D note, and that means at the high E we have a D note. Okay, and then our pinky is on the 13th. Okay, but we're playing an outside note. This note on the 9th fret on the B string is outside of the pentatonic, but it's in this melody. It's that chromatic note. So we go 9, 10 on the B string, 10 on the G, and then 12 on the D. And then during the there's like a slide riff on the chorus. Okay, here's the little riff on the chorus. You're basically sliding to the 15th. You should have a dot there on your fretboard. So slide up to that dot on the B string. Okay, after we play the 15, we go on the high E to the 12th. Should be a dot there, double dot. And then slide down to the 9th. Should be a dot there. Then we hit that, this is where we started that riff on these frets. The chromatic note is on the 10th. So all together, then we go to the B string on 12. And from there you can go back into the riff. 15 on the B, 12 on the high E, 9 on the high E, 10 on the high E, 12 on the B. Okay, it's a catchy song. I hadn't heard it, but I like it, and I see it's very popular. All right, I had heard that group before, but not that song. Thanks, bye.